Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Hope all of you watched the exercise of the second chapter. With that, I am going to start the third chapter, the cell. Living beings, whether plants or animals, are made up of cells. A cell is the basic structural and a functional unit of a living organism. So what is cell? The functional and the structural unit of living organism, that is cell. Cell act as a building blocks of living organism. Any function performed by an organism is due to activity of the cell in its body. For example, it is the cell at the tip of the roots in plants that absorb water and minerals from the soil. The cell in the leaves, which contains chlorophyll, prepare food by utilizing sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Similarly, an animal can move because of the ability of its muscle cells to contract and relax. So student, hope all of you understood the function of cell. So basically, the cell which actually located at the tip of the root, that's also help the absorption of water and mineral, as well as the which kind of cells possess chlorophyll. They actually trap the solar energy and produce their food. Same way, animals can move here and there with the help of muscle. Muscle is consist of muscle cells, which actually help to contract and relax of muscle. A cell can live independently on its own and perform all the life process. This is why cells are called the building blocks of life. Cells are very minute and cannot be seen by the naked eyes. So the pronunciation is minute, not minute. Cells are very minute. I mean too teeny. We can't see them in open eyes. You need a microscope to see them. So cells are microscopic. That's why we need an electric microscope to see them. Discovery of cell. Cells were not discovered until the invention of microscope. The Dutch scientist Anton van Leeuwenhoek developed the first simple microscope. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन है, इसी के साथ साइंटिस्ट का नाम भी याद रखना जरूरी है. सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप वॉज फर्स्ट प्रिपेयर्ड बाय डच साइंटिस्ट एंटोन वैन लीवेनहॉक. It was made up of a single lens. The use of this microscope enabled him to see blood cells in the capillaries of the webbed foot of a frog. So normally simple microscope was not able to amplify the image of blood cells. He also observed teeny single-celled organisms in a drop of water. Leeuwenhoek was first to recognize these organisms as living units of living beings. However, he did not call them cells. Robert Hooke, an English scientist, used two lenses to devise a compound microscope. So normally Leeuwenhoek का simple microscope जो था वो बहुत ही simple सा, प्रॉपरली माइक्रोस्कोप जितना एम्पलीफाई कर सकता है, इमेज को मतलब बढ़ा सकता है, उतना एबल नहीं था सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप, बिकॉज इट इज कंसिस्ट बाय सिंगल लेंस. नेक्स्ट, रॉबर्ट हुक ने दो लेंस वाला एक माइक्रोस्कोप यूज किया, जिसको बोलेंगे क्या, कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप. He studied in a thin slice of cork under his microscope and observed small box-like structure in it. He called them cells. So normally रॉबर्ट हुक ने कॉम्पाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे कॉर्क लगाया, जिसके ऊपर कोई सब्सटेंस को रखने के लिए अगर उसको देखेंगे तो उसको आकार में बड़ा लगता है. दिस बॉक्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर को रॉबर्ट हुक ने क्या नाम दिया, सेल्स. द वर्ड सेल इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड सेलुला meaning small compartment. Thus, cell was discovered and named for the first time by Robert Hooke. ये लाइन याद रखना. The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke. Next, cork is obtained from the bark of tree. It is made up of cells which were once living. So normally रॉबर्ट हुक ने कॉम्पाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप में जो कॉर्क का इमेज देखा, वो कॉर्क कहाँ से मिलता है? नॉर्मली द बार्क ऑफ ट्री. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ सेल. कॉर्क इज, it is a bunch of cells which were once living. Basically the cells are living cells. So Robert Hooke had actually observed dead cell. Robert Hooke ने क्या देखा? Dead cell देखा. Cell is the basic unit of life. A cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. A cell is capable of independent existence. A cell can perform all essential functions for its survival. Most cells are microscopic, that is, they were so small that they can be seen only under a powerful microscope. So basically cells are too teeny, so we need microscope to see them. All organisms start their life as a single cell. Every cell has a lifespan. So normally all organism एक सेल से शुरू होता है और हर एक सेल का खुद का पर्टिकुलर लाइफ स्पैन होता है. ओल्ड एंड worn out cells were continuously replaced by new ones. मतलब जो पुराना सेल है वो कंटिन्यूसली रिप्लेस्ड होता है किसके द्वारा? नॉर्मली न्यू सेल्स के द्वारा. Many cells together form a tissue and many tissues together form an organ. So similar cells combine together to form a tissues, whereas tissues togetherly form organ. It will be discussed in the next class. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.